Now what I want you to do is to observe what is going to happen on the screen, and then at the end of it you're going to answer the 3 questions that were listed below, right? So we're still on the area of a circle, right? So let's begin. These are the 3 questions that I want you to answer, and leave your answer in the comment section. It's question 1. How does the area of the triangle on the right compare with the area of the circle on the left? And question number 2. Use what you have just observed to write a formula for the area of a circle in terms of its circumference and radius. And question 3, rewrite your formula in 2 so that the area of a circle is written solely in terms of radius, right? Note here that the radius is actually the height of the triangle, and the circumference of the circle is actually the base of the triangle, right? Now what we're going to do, we're going to look on the area of a circle, right? And I am going to show you how the formula came about. So we're going to look on the area of a circle by peeling off the circumference of the circle. So here I have 2 circles, right? And this is the radius of the circle, and the distance around the circle is the circumference. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to peel off the circumference and I'm going to use it to make a triangle, right? And then I am going to show you how we find the area of the circle. Okay, so let's begin. So you know that the circumference of the circle would actually form a triangle, right? With a height of its radius, right? As you can see. So the area of the circle is equal to the area of the triangle formed, right? You agree? Let's continue. How do you calculate the area of any triangle? It's just half the base times the height. Here the base would be the circumference in this case, and the height would be the radius. So that means we can replace this, right? So let's continue, see what will happen. So as you note there that half the circumference, since the base is actually the circumference and the height in this case is actually the radius, then we could say it is half times the circumference times the radius. Now how do you find the circumference of a circle? That's just 2 times pi times the radius, right? So we replace the circumference with actually how you calculate it. So it is now half times 2 times pi times the radius times this radius here. Now note that half will cancel out this 2, because 2 into 2, that's just 1. So all we are left back with is just pi here times r radius times radius, that's just radius squared. So therefore the area of a circle is therefore equal to pi times the radius squared. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this video would have helped you in a lot of ways.